Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cozyla, Skylight and Hearth. Cozyla, Skylight and Hearth are smart displays designed to make family life easier. Cozyla is a smart family calendar that syncs with Google, Apple and Outlook to keep everyone organized. It also shows weather updates, to-do lists and meal plans on a responsive touchscreen. Plus, when not in use, it doubles as a digital photo frame to display family memories. On the other hand, Skylight is a simple and easy-to-use digital frame and family calendar in one. It helps you manage schedules, chores, and events by syncing with apps like Google Calendar. It also shows photos, making it both useful and heartwarming for families. Meanwhile, Hearth is a simple family display that helps households stay organized with ease. It features a large touchscreen where families can manage shared calendars, daily routines, and profiles with photos. While its sleek design and powerful features, it acts as a central hub for home planning. Overall, Hearth is the best if you want a full-featured family hub, while Cozyla offers the best balance of features and design, and Skylight is best for simplicity. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.